Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a review. Today, we are diving into a product that's been a household name for years but with a lighter twist: Horlicks Lite Health and Dump Nutrition Drink. Let's see what this is all about. Here we have the Horlicks Lite. The packaging is pretty similar to the classic Horlicks but with a few key differences. This version is designed specifically for adults who are health conscious and looking to manage their calorie intake without compromising on nutrition. Let's take a look at the nutritional facts. Horlicks Lite is enriched with 23 vital nutrients, including vitamins A, C, D, and E, along with minerals like calcium and iron. It claims to have no added sugar, which is great for those watching their sugar intake. Now, let's prepare a glass and see how it tastes. According to the instructions, you mix 2-3 teaspoons of Horlicks Lite into a cup of hot or cold milk. I'm going with hot milk today. As I stir this in, you can see it dissolves pretty quickly without any lumps, which is always a plus. The aroma is quite familiar, a comforting malty scent that brings back childhood memories. Time for the taste test. Takes a sip. It's definitely lighter than the original Horlicks but still has that distinctive malty flavor. It's smooth and not overly sweet, which I really appreciate. Perfect for a light yet nutritious beverage. So, why choose Horlicks Lite? It's a great option for adults looking to maintain a balanced diet. It's low in fat, has no added sugar, and still provides essential nutrients that help support immunity, energy, and overall health. Overall, Horlicks Lite Health and Dump Nutrition Drink is a fantastic option for those who love the classic Horlicks taste but are looking for a lighter alternative. It's nutritious, easy to prepare, and can be enjoyed hot or cold. I highly recommend giving it a try. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried Horlicks Lite and what you think about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, everyone.